Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to discuss multiple enumeration. And so the enumeration type called multiple. And we are going to write a program that declares multiple enumerations in the same program and print out one value from each of them. In order to do that, we are going to have two new data types, and we are doing this through enum. And the first data type is called days, and the second data type is colors. The first one is having 5 elements from Monday to Friday. And the second data type that is called colors is having 3 elements in it. And we are having one int main value, one int main function, sorry. And then in order to declare and initialize some variables from these two newly defined data types, we are going to have days, the name of the new data type, and the variable day, and then the value is assigned to that variable. So the variable can be assigned any of these elements. So I'm going to assign Friday. And then we are going to declare another variable called color from colors data type, and the red is assigned to this variable. After declaring and initializing our newly defined variables of these two newly defined data types, we are going to print out these two variables from these two newly defined data types. To do that, we are saying day number, and then we are going to print out day, and then we are having color number, and then we are going to print out color. So let me run. So when I run here, I see that day number 4 equals 4. So day number 4, and we basically assigned Friday. Why it is printing 4 and not Friday? Because we are asking the program to call the last element in this newly defined data type called days, that is Friday. But we are not mentioning to print out number 4 directly. We are assigning Friday to it, so it gives a meaningful name to our variable, so it improves its readability. But what we actually need is number 4. So this is why we're using enum. So it is easy to understand Friday for the user that is reading this code. But instead of Friday, if we were assigning 4 and then 0 here to the color, it was very hard to remember, okay, whenever I see 4 in the day, it means that I'm talking about Friday. Whenever I see, for example, 0 in the color, it means red. Whenever I see 1 in the colors, it means green, 2 means blue, etc. Instead of decoding all of these things, we simply give them meaningful names. And then we are having the 4-day number equals 4 because we are talking about Friday, and Friday is the 5th element of this newly defined data type, and we are having 0 as Monday, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So Friday is 4. And then we are assigning red to color, and it is having color number equals to 0, means that red is 0. So red and 0 is printed out here. We could also define, for example, color 2, for example, and then assign blue to it. And then basically here, color blue number, then having the color and del, and when I color 2, sorry, when I compile this code, we expect to see the index for the blue, which is 2. So red is 0. You see here color blue number 2, 0, 1, and 2. Basically, in this coding session, we reviewed how to define multiple enumeration and how to define two enumeration here as to be multiple type. And then we declare two variables three variables, two of the colors data type and one of the days data type, and then we print out one element of each of them. Thank you for watching.